So hi everybody and welcome back to C++ tutorial series for absolute beginners. This is video 283, and in this video I want to talk short about copy assignment operator. And the reason why we talk only short is because you have to research first what this syntax here is. And it says here, typical declaration of a copy assignment operator when copy and swap item is used. And this so-called copy and swap item, read this in a good C++ book or online resource, or for example in Stack Overflow. They have here an article, and they trying to explain why they use this item here. I will link this in the description, and then after you research that one, then we will talk also about the other way, which is not using the swap item. And you can see the other way is here using more the standard version. This copy swap item is a little bit special, and the reason for that is, look the parameter here. All other ones are using a const reference, which means they are using not the copy constructor. This one is indeed using the copy constructor, and yeah, you have to understand what's the benefit of that and what's the disadvantage and so on. All right, after you research that, we will come back here and then we go through the syntax here again, and as well read this one here too. This is similar to the copy constructor. You can see how implicitly declared copy assignment operator, deleted implicitly declared copy assignment operator. So you can see the same thing you probably did with the copy assignment operator. Read this as well. It is just explanations, and we will dive later after you read the explanations in some of these notes here. Probably I will go through some, but more I will go through this example here so that we are able to understand this example. And you can see they make one example with this copy swap item. This is this little part here. You can see it's very easy to understand. And then they make here another example with this one. It is not using the copy swap item. It's also not too difficult, and we have just to understand. And there is one more thing, don't forget. The copy assignment operator is called when you assign an object, like in this example here. So which means you have already created these objects and you're just assigning now them. Then this one is called. And the second thing what you should remember is, why is this important for us? Normally you don't need it, but if you allocate again memory, allocation of memory makes big problem. And you can see here in this examples, or let's go here in this example, they check all time the size, and then they are creating the other size, and then they adding this one to the other, and then using here the copy. And we will not dive into this std copy, how this does this work, but copy is just taking one object and assigning to the other object. We skipped here the details, but that's it more or less, and we will talk all this kind of stuff more in detail. All right, I hope you do the research, because then this copy assignment operator will easier to understand when we go through this one. All right, so if you have any questions like all time, write in the comment section. See you in the next video, and have fun, good luck, and like all time, never give up. Bye.